In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export a CSV file from MatchTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then you'll need to open MatchTrader.com. Then from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of the dashboard, meaning that you're successfully logged into your account. Once you're in here, you'll need to go over to where it says open position, pending orders, closed positions, and finance. Here you will see an overview of all of your position and finances that you have activated inside of your account. Over here on the right hand side, you will see a filter button and you'll see some sort of download button. If you click this download button, you'll see this page right here. From here, you'll be able to add in the data type, meaning you can choose either open positions, closed positions, and finances, meaning what type of files you want to get into your CSV file. So let's just choose them all. Then from here, you will need to add the file type, and then we'll change that from HTML to a CSV file. And then you can add the range for finances closed, either the last 24 hours, last 7 days, 30 days, last year, and a custom range. By clicking here, you will need to enter a custom date. From here, once you're done, you'll simply need to click export. And then from here, you can see the exported version of your MatchTrader profile will be visible up here as an Excel file, or also known as a CSV file. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!